welcome back to my channel. So in this time, I wanna vlog about DIY LED Cube Arduino Nano. This is my first vlog too that uses English. But don't worry guys, I will still use this Indonesian subtitles. Before I start it, please subscribe guys. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. So this LED cube is shaped by three-dimensional rooms. That the components we need are, the first is we need Arduino Nano. So why Arduino Nano? Because Arduino Nano has a size almost 1/3 of Arduino Uno guys. Then Arduino Nano have advantage 2 pins input that totally pins analog of Arduino Nano is 8, whereas Arduino Uno only 6 guys. Arduino Nano and Uno both are based AVR Atmega 328P microcontroller. They also both can programming by IDE Arduino, and there's no need additional downloader. Just plug it into the computer USB because the board has already the USB chips guys. Second, we need the PCB board. This is two-side Vero board PCB, and we can input all components in here. If we usually use jumper cable to unit the line, here we have to use the soldering iron guys. Then we need the female header. This 100 ohm resistant. We need telephone cable, or we can mention it with thick wire. We also need the sandpaper to wrap the LED cap, and then we need this plywood to make a pattern of the LED cube. We need ruler to measure this iron soldering and the tin. We need this electronic drill, the pliers. So we need this LED guys. Approximately we need until 64 pieces. This USB cable, if usually we use the type B, in here we use the type A, the mini cable guys. The Arduino IDE software. Next, we make a pattern for the LED pad guys, because our PCB has a small size, so the pattern is also small guys. So we hole each corner point with electric drill. Now we wrap the cap of LED to sandpaper to get the diffusion light. We have to check it that to make sure the lights are really on. We just put the cathode to the 5 volt and then the anode to the ground like this. Okay. We hold the wood by the electric drill. For the wood, we stick the nail next to the hole. Take the LED. We bend the long leg. Like this, and then we put it into the hole, and the short leg we wrap into the nails like this, and we bend it to. After finish, we put it. Now we cut the both of the LED legs, like the LED has cut by Pliers. Now we put it into the plywood, like cut the lid along the LED pad. The wire is integrated into the LED legs, long legs not wrapped and soldered. The circuit is lifted and removed from the plywood. Insert the wire into the LED leg hole. We soldered at each end of the hole. Repeat until done. Bring the four circuits together to form an LED cube. Plug the two header pins into the PCB board. Solder the bottom of leg. Plug in the LED cube circuit to the PCB board. Solder the bottom of leg. Plug the wire of each layer onto the PCB board. In the 100 ohm resistance. The pad of each layer to the resistor leg. The Arduino Nano line to the resistor leg. Connect the LED circuit pad and Arduino Nano pin to the cable. there's my project, LED Cube Arduino Nano. Content be useful for us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe guys. Thank you for watching. See you for next project. Bye-bye.